build with torque, not the fork.
Let's take it to the cave and crush some leg extensions. First, the big no-no. Don't lock your knees at the top. Keep a soft lockout. Just a tiny bend keeps the tension on the quads and the fire burning in those muscles. If your butt is lifting off the seat, you're cheating yourself like a sneaky saber-tooth. Grab those handles and keep your hips planted firmly. Don't be lazy, and do partial reps. Torq say, go all the way. Feel that burn. Stop swinging. Momentum is for throwing spears, not for lifting weights. Let's recap. Soft lockout, hips planted, full range, and total control. Subscribe for more primal gains.